much today as a chairman of the district, but also on behalf of my people of Agago. I want to send a congratulatory message to our Lieutenant General Otema Awany. He have served our country with a lot of dedication, with a lot of love, right from the times of the 1980s. Even when we had war in our area, you became our warrior. You stood in the UPDF to stand for the position of the LRA. You helped us in the fight against Kony. I still remember the time when you were serving as head of logistics and engineering department in the UPDF, and how you supported the restructuring of the engineering equipment and the supply line of the UPDF. Your dedication of service to our people as a leader and as a regional, as a district chair that sits in the region where you come from, Lieutenant General, we are very happy that even when you retire to come back home, what is left is to show you love. So many military officers at the rank of generals would not love to retire even when they have achieved a lot. But I am happy that you diligently did it mid of this August. And now we are welcoming you home on the 28th of this month, back to Acholi land. But you have really served. From the time when you are in Mbarara, you have been a nationalistic leader. And I want to thank you because you have been an example and an inspiration to the young people and young generation of not only people of Acholi, but the young people of this country. And I want to send this warm appreciation to you that please, as we come, we continue to rebuild our area, we continue to build trust in our people that yes, where you have left us, you have challenged me as a leader that I should take this responsibility forward as we champion the change in our area. You fought the war part, and now we have the mindset to handle, to change the minds of our people, to change the farming ideology, to change the development ideology, and see that once again, this region is known for the good things they have always been known for. And I want to send this congratulatory message to you, but also thank the President of Uganda for considering you in his service for all the time until he retired. Mr. President, we are very happy. And on behalf of my people, I say thank you for trusting General Otema with such a high office. And this is one of the generals that has retired in service. As Acholi people, we are very happy. And I will show up with my people. We shall show up on the 28th to show you love for the good thing you have done in this region and in this country. I thank you so much.